I'm going to show you how to export a PDF out of Canva. There are two ways to get to the screen we need to get to, either File, then Download, or in the upper right hand corner you can click on Share and hit Download there. Go down the list of options here. The file type, you're going to want to select PDF print. That's going to give us the best possible result. It's going to give us the highest resolution on any images that you've included, and it's going to retain any vector information from vector elements that you've used in your design. If my design bleeds, which in my case it does, which is to say it extends past the trim line, we're not going to have a white margin all the way around when the piece is cut and finished. I'm going to go ahead and select crop marks and bleed. Select flatten PDF if you've used any transparent objects in your file. Those are going to need to be flattened before print. If you do it at this stage, you're going to have a chance to look at the PDF to make sure that it's going to output the way you want, as opposed to sending us a PDF that has not been flattened, in which case the RIP, which is the computer that will be processing your file, will flatten it just prior to print, and you may not get the result you expected. These next two options you can just leave as is. Color profile. If you're using the free version of Canva, you're going to be limited to RGB. That's just fine. For the majority of applications, we're going to get a perfectly good result from RGB color space. If you do use the paid version of Canva, you also have the option of exporting as a CMYK PDF. That will give you better results. If you paid for it, you should go ahead and select it. But like I said, RGB is going to be just fine for the majority of cases. If you'd like, you can save these download settings, so they'll be the default next time you export a PDF out of Canva. I'll go ahead and click download here. Canva is going to make the PDF for us. And once it does, we're going to want to go ahead and take a look. In this case, I'm using Acrobat, but you can look at it in whatever PDF viewing program you prefer. I'm just going to make sure that everything looks as expected. My colors still look good, my fonts look good, my images there. I can see that because my design does bleed and I extended it past the trim line and I selected those crop marks, my crop marks are there. Everything looks good. So this file is ready to be sent to Morel Printing for production.